You can make this one pot 30-minute meal.
Chicken Jalapeño Poppers Soup. Here is what you'll need.
Today we're diving into a rich, creamy bowl of comfort with a kick. This chicken jalapeno soup brings together tender shredded chicken, spicy jalapenos, tangy cream cheese, savory bacon, and sharp cheddar for a flavor-packed experience. With every spoonful, you'll get a burst of heat balanced with the smoothness of heavy cream and the heartiness of chicken broth. Whether you're craving something cozy or looking to spice up your weeknight dinner, this soup has got you covered. Let's put together this easy 30-minute meal. Saute your jalapenos, onions, and garlic in olive oil. Add in the chicken broth, shredded chicken, cream cheese, heavy cream. Season it with salt, pepper, oregano, and seasoning salt. Bring this to a boil and remove some of the hot liquid so that you can whisk in the flour. Return this roux back to the pot. It's smelling good. Stir and turn down the heat when most of the cream cheese has melted. Add in margarine, cheese, and bacon. You can find this recipe at bellalafay.com. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.